Hi guys, this is JP from FSiPanel. Welcome to this video. It's a tutorial video. I want to show you how to use FSiPanel 2020 with the jets included in the new Microsoft Flight Simulator. So let's see what options we have. If I click on jets, we have basically the Cessna Citation CG4 and the longitude. So let's pick one of these jets. It is exactly the same procedure. So I will just show you on one of the aircraft there. So we'll select a runway. Anything you want, and we are ready to fly. So I will click fly, and I see you in a minute in the simulator. Okay guys, we are in the simulator now. I'm on runway 32 in Zurich. The only thing I have to do here, switch on my flight director, and now I can go back in FSiPanel. We can see here that the Cessna Citation CG4 has been detected. Perfect. So select the airport as always. Here Zurich has been detected, but I want to show you the full procedure. So I will select whatever airport I want here. So let's pick up Zurich. Select your runway. So we can see that we have light wind today. So let's use runway 14. This is the runway news most of the time in Zurich. And we are going to select a fix. So you can use the quick buttons here. So today I will show you how to fly a short final, a vector and a downwind. So let's start with a short final. So the summary tells you that we are going to do an ILS runway 14. We should be at 4 miles final, and our altitude is supposed to be 2,400 feet to be on the glide slope. So what's going to happen when I click move aircraft? My flaps will be set to approach flaps. Then the aircraft will be put in the air. Autopilot will be set for you. So remember to add a bit of thrust to avoid falling out of the sky. So you're ready, I'm ready, let's go for it. Click move aircraft and see what happened. We are in the sky. I had a bit of thrust to maintain my speed. And FSiPanel is doing the job. You can see now the message on top here, aircraft ready for your training. Hold your brake 3 seconds to take control. So if we have a look, we have the runway in front of us. And our ILS has been set. So now if I want to take over the control, I hold my brake 3 seconds and I can fly this approach. I can harm the approach as well. This is the approach mode. So if I turn on the approach mode and I click 3 seconds on my autopilot, on my brake, then I have the control. So now we are basically flying our approach with the autopilot. And it is as easy as that. Let's try now a vector. So if I want to do a vector, I will go to left-hand vectors. We have a summary again of the position and we click move aircraft. Boom, the aircraft has been switched and you can see now we are on vectors. The heading is 165, 30 degrees intercept for the ILS 14. We have the message already on top here, aircraft ready for your training. At this stage, you can set anything you want, your FMS, GPS, your minimums, everything you want. You are in a position freeze, and when you're ready to fly this approach, hold your brake again 3 seconds, 1, 2, and 3, and you have the control. Let's try the last exercise. We said we want to be on downwind. So to be on downwind, I can select downwind here, but let's see something more interesting. I go to select fix. For all these options, you can customize. So we want a right-hand downwind. You can see that right now I'm supposed to be at 3 miles from my runway. Okay, let's change it to 4 miles. And as well, my altitude, I'm supposed to be 3,500, which is 2,000 feet AGL above the airport elevation. This can be changed in the setup. But if I want to change it on spot, I just click on it and I say, okay, 5,000 feet is fine for me. And you click validate. So now we have a summary. It will be a right-hand downwind for runway 14 at 5,000 feet. Ready to go? Move aircraft. Here we are. You can see 5,000 feet on the altimeters. The speed is a bit higher because we have flaps up. And we have the message from FSiPanel ready to take control. So at this stage again, set anything the way you want. If we look on the right-hand side, I have my airport. And when I'm ready to fly, I hold my brake 1, 2, and 3 seconds. And I'm gonna have the control. I can fly this approach. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I wish you as always safe landing. And if you have any comment or question, drop anything below as you want. Thank you and see you soon.